Daily English Talks. English conversation at the mall.
Hey Emma, do you want to go shopping at the mall this afternoon? I heard there's a big weekend sale going on.
That sounds like a great idea, Ryan. I've been meaning to buy some new clothes for the new semester anyway.
Perfect. I need a few things too, especially a new pair of sneakers because my old ones are completely worn out.
Same here. My shoes are falling apart too. Which mall do you want to go to? The one downtown or the new one near the park?
Let's go to the new one near the park. I heard it's bigger, cleaner, and has more brand stores and cafes.
Awesome. I love malls that have good coffee shops so we can relax after shopping for a while.
Exactly. We can grab some iced coffee or smoothies when we get tired from walking around.
Great plan. What time should we meet there? I still need to finish my morning chores before heading out.
How about 2 p.m.? That way we'll have plenty of time to explore all the stores before it gets crowded.
Sounds perfect. I'll meet you near the main entrance right by the big fountain.
Deal. I'll text you when I'm on my way. Do you have anything specific in mind to buy?
I really want a few new dresses, maybe some accessories, and perhaps a nice bag if I find something cute.
That's nice. I'm mainly looking for sneakers, a casual jacket, and maybe some cool t-shirts.
You always have great taste in jackets, Ryan. Remember that brown one you wore last time? It looked really stylish.
Thanks, Emma. I got that one on sale too. Hopefully I can find something similar today.
I hope so. Sales are the best time to shop because you can get good brands at much lower prices.
True. But sometimes it's hard to find the right size when everything's discounted.
That's so true. Whenever there's a sale, my size always seems to disappear first.
Don't worry. We'll check a few different stores. I'm sure we'll find what we're looking for.
Thanks. You're always patient when shopping with me. Most people get bored waiting.
Not at all. Shopping with you is fun because we always end up discovering cool new places.
Aw, that's so sweet. I think we make a great shopping team.
Definitely. So should we start with the clothing stores first or head to the shoe section?
Let's start with the clothing stores. I saw an ad for a new boutique that just opened.
Oh, really? What's it called? Maybe we can check it out first.
It's called Sunny Style. They have trendy outfits that are both comfortable and affordable.
Sounds good. After that, we can stop by the sports store to check out sneakers.
Yes, and maybe the accessories shop next to it. I need some new earrings and bracelets.
Sure thing. I'll carry your shopping bags if they get heavy.
Wow, such a gentleman. Thank you, Ryan. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Besides, it's a great workout carrying all those bags around.
You're right. We can skip the gym today then.
Exactly. Shopping counts as cardio, doesn't it?
Totally. Especially when we walk from one end of the mall to the other.
Oh, look, there's a big crowd near the central area. I think they're doing some kind of fashion show.
Really? Let's check it out. It might give us some new outfit ideas.
Good idea. Wow, the models look amazing. The lighting and music are really cool too.
Yeah, the energy is great. I love how malls make shopping feel like a fun event.
True. Shopping isn't just about buying things, it's about enjoying the experience.
Exactly. Sometimes even window shopping can make you feel happy and inspired.
I agree. And hanging out with friends makes it even better.
Oh, look. There's the coffee shop I mentioned earlier. Do you want to take a break now?
Sure. Let's grab a table by the window so we can people watch while we rest.
Perfect. I'll order us 2 iced caramel lattes. Do you want anything to eat?
Maybe a chocolate muffin. It'll give me some energy for more shopping.
Great choice. I'll get one for each of us.
Thanks, Emma. You always know how to make our shopping trips enjoyable.
You're welcome. It's always fun when we hang out.
I agree. After this, we can check out the electronics store. I want to see the new wireless headphones.
Ooh, I love looking at gadgets too. Maybe I'll find a new phone case there?
Sounds like a plan. Then maybe we can head to the bookstore before we leave.
Yes. I've been wanting to buy a new novel to read on weekends.
Awesome. I think this is turning into a full-day shopping adventure.
You're right, but I'm having such a good time that I don't even feel tired.
Same here. It's so nice spending the day doing something fun and relaxing.
Totally. I think we both deserved a little break from schoolwork and responsibilities.
Couldn't agree more. Sometimes a simple day at the mall can lift your mood instantly.
That's so true. It's not just about buying things. It's about enjoying life's little moments.
Exactly. And I'm really glad we decided to come here today.
Me too, Ryan. Let's make this our new weekend tradition. Shopping, coffee, and great conversations.